This is the new seasonal JARMABOX. This is summer 2022 edit. Let's have a little look to see what we have in here, and spoiler, you need to see this. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video, I have to pinch myself because I am super excited for this one, guys. Today's video, I have a lovely unboxing for you, and it is this. This is a first for my channel. This is the JARMABOX. I was very kindly contacted by JARMABOX, and they said if they were to send me a box, would I do an unboxing on my channel to show you lovely lot. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So I am just on their website now, and I'm just going to read some information about this box. So it just says, introducing the summer 2022 edit, featuring a jungle print pyjama short set. I can't wait to try them on. And 8 luxury treats from Rodial, Pixi, Rituals, Aromatherapy Associates, and more. This edit is worth over £175 and is not one to be missed. Secure yours today by subscribing to our seasonal box for just £55. Wow, so £55 per quarter, that is how much this is. So yes, I was doing a bit of digging. They used to do monthly boxes and have now decided to do seasonal boxes. Yeah, so I've just put down in my notes here, you get billed for this the 1st of June, 1st of September, 1st of December and 1st of March. So like I say, £55 per quarter. And the good news is, I think many of you will be very happy with this. Royal Mail do the delivery for this, which is absolutely amazing. So if you live in UK mainland, the postage is free. If you live in Northern Ireland, it's £2. If you live in the Highlands, it is also £2. Guys, this box is so heavy, and the lid was like popping open. But wow, look at that. Oh, we have a note here, wait a minute there. It just says, hi Joe, thank you for working with us and sharing our summer edit with your subscribers. We hope you love it. If any of your subscribers wish to sign up, they can use code GeordieJoe. I will put that down below in the information box and the comment box for you, along with the website. So you can just click on the link and go and treat yourself. So yeah, if you use my code GeordieJoe to get a free Gatanu hand cream worth £20 in your first box. We've also included in this box for you to try too. Please let us know if there's anything you need. Oh, thank you very much, Sarah. I really appreciate it. Right, so we have a little edit card, but on the back we have some QR codes. So the top QR code is a digital insert. So that will be your actual edit card with information on the products, which is fab. And then we've got JARMABOX rewards. Review each product and your box as a whole each season and earn points for each review that you leave. Scan the QR code to learn more and start earning. So I'm basically just going to scan the top QR code just so we can have a quick look at the digital edit card for this. Right, so this is what it looks like after you've scanned it. And yeah, it has information on absolutely everything there. But as I say, just to save some time in the video, we're just going to dive on in there, pick up products and read the information that's actually on them. So, did I give you a proper sneak peek? I don't think I did. Look how full that box is, and look at all of them brands, guys. Wow. Let's get digging. The first product I'm going to show you is your free product if you order using my code, and it is this. So like I mentioned before, this is by the brand Gatanu Paris, and this is a hand cream. There's 75 mils that you get in here, and it is a protective anti-aging hand cream, and it has an RRP of £20. Lovely size, lovely brand, may I add. Yeah, this is sealed. I'm going to keep that sealed because I have a few hand creams to get through and I don't want this to spoil because it's such a nice brand. I want to make sure this is nice and new when I use it. The thing I'm going to show you is this. So these are the actual pyjamas. So when JARMABOX asked my size, I said I was a size 20. I am a size 18, but I like my pyjamas to be nice and roomy. They did mention in the email that their pyjamas are roomy to start off with, but I always go a size up in pyjamas. So this is what we've done. So this is a size XXL. They look absolutely gorgeous. The colours are amazing. Let's get it out of here and have a proper look, Joanne. So these have an RRP of £35. Oh my god, they feel so soft. Guys, oh wow, look at how cute they are. We have jungle leaves, we have monkeys. They are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, and I love the colours. Oh my goodness. That's going to feel lovely and soft on the skin. So that's the top, and we have little short bottoms. So let me just grab these, and this is what the shorts look like. Oh, they are so nice. Oh, we have a drawstring that's an actual proper drawstring that goes right the way around the band. We have lovely piping details. Oh my god, they are so nice. Guess what pyjamas I'm going to be wearing for bed tonight. Yeah, I'm going to go try these on and I will pop a little clip in for you. So here is the top. It feels so soft on my skin. And just to show you, if you wanted to wear this just by itself, it's like a little mini night shirt. It covers in just the right places, so it's a little bit sexy if you want it to be. But yeah, let's pop the shorts on and see what the shorts look like. This is what it looks like with the shorts on. I love the length of the shorts. I think they are so cute. Again, super soft on the skin. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. We have the waistband here. So we have that drawstring, which I love because it's a working drawstring. You can control how tight or how loose you want your bottoms to be. So yeah, that's them there. I love it. Oh, I love it. Happy. Right, so let's dive into the products. Not include the pyjamas I've just showed you, or the free product if you use my code. The first product I've decided to pick up is this. So Rituals, guys, Rituals. Got to love Rituals. This is the Ritual of Jing, and it says here, State of Serenity Fragrance Sticks. So it is a diffuser. So I think the scent on these last around 4 weeks, and when you go on their website and buy a refill for the jar that's in here, they plant a tree, I believe, something like that. I think it's really nice. These have an RRP of £16.50. This is what the jar looks like. It looks very elegant indeed. These are the sticks that you stick in the diffuser, and like I say, it lasts up to 4 weeks. It smells ridiculously good. It smells too good. The second product I've got to show you is another Rituals product. I couldn't resist picking another Rituals one up. And again, this is the same Ritual of Jing, and this is Your Path to Inner Peace, Sleep. Serene Foaming Shower Gel, Sacred Wood and Lavender. Oh god, I love lavender. I love a foaming shower gel, and you can guarantee it's going to be amazing by Rituals. I'm not going to squeeze that, or should I? Should I just squeeze it a bit? I shouldn't. It comes out like a gel and then it goes into a foam. Put way too much on them, never mind, let's just rub some of that in. Oh yeah. That smells so good, and I can still feel it on my nose. I have some chocolate to show you. Obviously I saw the chocolate and I had to pick it up. This is by Cocoba. I hope I'm saying that correctly. This has an RRP of £1.50 and it's sea salt caramel chocolate. Oh, you know I've got to try this. Oh my goodness. Sea salt and caramel. Wow, so good. Definite thumbs up from me for this. So good. Got a mouthful. So it does state that this is a little extra in the box, and there's another little extra as well. Let me just get that one too. This is the other little extra, So it's by the brand, is that vivoo? I think so, I don't know, probably got it wrong. And this is at-home urine test strips for nutrition and lifestyle advice based on your body's needs. Wow, I've never seen anything like that before in any box ever. Vivoo helps track your hydration level, pH, ketones and more. So there we go there, they're in there, all nicely sealed. Oh my god, I am so interested in that. I very soon am going to be starting doing things to help look after myself, and one of them is lose weight. And if these do ketos and stuff, that's going to be really interesting to see. And if I like them, I might purchase a bigger pack. So next we have this. So this is by the brand Rodial, and this is dragon's blood, and it's cleansing water, hydrate and tone. Oh, I have had this before. And as soon as I got it, I used it up straight away because I loved it. It's fantastic, guys. This is going straight on my vanity to use again straight away. It just says dragon blood comforts and restores through skin's hydration. Rose water cleanses and refreshes the skin. Vitamin B3 helps to brighten. Hyaluronic acid provides long-lasting hydration. It's travel friendly, no spillages, because you lift that up and you press that down. But yeah, cool. Guys, such a good product, and it has an RRP of £17. So next we have a product by Pixi. So this is Botanical Collagen Tonic. Ooh, so we got a nice cleansing water, and now we have a lovely tonic. I've never had this one actually. I've had the other two that we normally get all the time, but I've never had the collagen tonic before. Fabulous. Volumizing toner. Ooh, botanical collagen and peptides help to promote a youthful look and complexion. Coconut water adds hydration, while sea salt helps to mineralize the skin. It's alcohol free, great for all skin types. Use daily after cleansing. Oh, cool. Cool, cool, cool. I love Pixi products, so affordable too. This has an RRP of £10. Right, next I am going to show you two products together, and if you watch my unboxings regularly, you are going to understand how happy this makes me, because when I get one or the other, it winds me up so bad. But in this box, we've got both together. We have Living Proof, and we have a shampoo and a conditioner. This makes me so, so happy. So there's 60 mils that you get in each one, and they have an RRP of £12 each. And this is, what is that? It's a no frizz conditioner and a no frizz shampoo. These make me so, so happy. Like I say, I hate it when you just get given a shampoo or you just get given a conditioner. No, I want a set. And guys, we have been given a set. Thank you. Next we have this. So this is by the brand Aromatherapy Associates. Wow, what a brand to get. This is not cheap. This has an RRP of £45. There's 100 mils in here. I suppose it would actually help if I tell you what it is. This is Hydrating Rose Face Mask. It's moisturising and renewing. It just says a deeply hydrated mask to restore vital moisture to dry skin. Oh, I can't wait to try that out. This is going to go straight into my face mask drawer. As soon as I've got my beauty room in some kind of order, I will start doing my Friday face mask series again. If I have got another one of these, when I get round to doing the video of this, I will do a giveaway for the other one. But yeah, wow, what a brand. Very last item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Luminaire, and this is a Nordic Sea Overnight Bright Sleeping Cream. Oh, I've heard awesome things about this. This has an RRP of £22.50, and there's 50 mils in here. I am going to open this one straight away. I am going to go to bed in a bit, and I'm going to slap this all over my face before I do go to bed. Packaging is lovely. Can you hear that? Is that thunder? How strange. Yeah, so I can't wait to try this. Really can't wait to try it. Is it sealed? It is. Well, if I'm going to use it tonight, I might as well just open it now. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh my God, that feels so rich. Very rich and creamy. Look at that. Oh my God, yes, 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 yes. Smells like orangey. That feels so hydrating and moisturising. Oh, my skin feels so soft. Look at that glow. Oh, me likey. I'm definitely using that tonight. Right guys, this is the summer 2022 edit. What do you think? Personally, wow, what a box. So this box is worth over £175. If you want this box, it's £55. Guys, this box is so cool, so worth it. Yes, I have been gifted this item, I have not paid for it, but I always put myself in the position as if I had paid for this with my own money. I watch every penny I spend. I think we've got to these days, haven't we really? If I had saved up my money and purchased this, yeah, it's worth it. It's so worth it. I'm so happy with this box. And you're looking at that there. We have a pair of pyjamas too. Let me get them. Pyjamas as well. Amazing. I am in love with this box. So this last week I've been unboxing some boxes. In the last handful of boxes I've been a little bit disappointed, and I've voiced the fact in my videos that I've been a bit disappointed with them. This is what I needed. This is the pick-me-up that I needed. This box is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Get it. Get it. Yeah, wow. Massive thumbs up. So just to remind you, if you do want this box, they've given me a code. I don't get anything for that at all if you use it. But I'll pop the link for the website in the information box and the comment box along with the code. And remember, if you use my code, you get the Gatanu Paris hand cream worth £20 with your order. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.